Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another cash stuffing. So today I will be cash stuffing my small business paycheck number 3 from June. So I did put a video last week. I was going to put another one on Friday, but I've been super busy with orders. So let's jump right into this so the video is not that long. Okay, so I'm going to do a cash count first, and then we'll get into my variable expenses. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I do have a small business where I sell budgeting items, so you can check that in the description box if you're interested in anything that's in this video. It should be linked below. And thank you guys for your orders this week. We did do pretty good this week. I did pay myself $250, so let's see how much we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, that's 60. 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 100 there. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 200 there. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that's $250 there. So like I said, we are going to get started with my wallet. So let's push this over here and let's start stuffing my wallet. Okay, so groceries is going to get $10. I have nothing left in my wallet. Like I said before in the last video, it's summertime and these kids are sucking me dry. So toiletries is going to get $5. Out to eat is going to get $10. Kids is going to get $10. Self-care is going to get $5. Spending is going to get $5. And miscellaneous is going to get $5. Okay, so that is it for my wallet. Now we're going to move into my 6 months of expenses. Okay, so that's going to be this right here. Okay. Let me just move this over a little bit. Okay, so 6 months of expenses. Okay, so car note is going to get $5. Okay. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 60. So we have 60 in car note. Groceries is going to get $10. So now we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 70. Mortgage is going to get 20. Let's just do a 20 here. Okay, so now we have a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's 170, 180, 185, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have a total of $189 in mortgage. For car insurance, we are going to put $5 in. Okay, so now we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9. $59 in car insurance, cell phone is going to get $5. So now we have a total of 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. Water is going to get $5, making it a total of 20, 40, 65. And electricity is going to get $5, making it a total of 20, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so that's going to be it for my 6 months of expenses. The next binder I'll be stuffing is my sinking funds and my business bills. Okay, sinking funds. All right. And this is part of my ice cream collection. I have it linked below. So kids is going to get a total of $10. Money out. So let's put the 10 in here. Okay, so now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So kids has a total of $80. Okay, holiday is going to get $20. So now we have a total of 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. $189. Back to school is going to get $20 because that's coming up in August. So I have to try to stuff this a little more. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115. So we have 115 in back to school. Okay, and birthdays is going to get $10. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Okay, so for my business bills, Shopify is going to get 15, and that should complete the payment for July 2nd. So now we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it's a total of $39. So I'll just put 40 in there. Taxes is going to get $10. Now I have to start saving a little bit more for taxes because the orders are going up. So I want to make sure like by the end of the year I'm safe with taxes. But I want to say thank you guys for all the orders this week. It was like really like a blessing, but it was like a lot of work as well. But thank you guys so much for your orders. Okay, so it's 20, 40, 60, 75. So for taxes so far we have 75. And then Cricut and Canva is not going to get anything. It has a total of $15 in there, and I need that for Canva, and that comes out soon. I believe this week it comes out, so I'm not going to stuff that one. So that is it for my sinking funds and my business bills. Now let's get into our savings challenges. Okay, so let's do our self-care first. So self-care is going to get $10. So that's 2 hearts there. And remember guys, every heart is worth $5. So let's use yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna color in 2 hearts and add $10 to this. Okay, so let's add 10 to this. So now here we have a total of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120. Okay, so there goes self-care, and we have a total of 125, and my goals is supposed to be 150. I have 125 written there, so I have to like rewrite that. Okay, so we are going to do the holiday challenge as well, and this is going to get a total of $10. So I'm going to color two of the presents. Now this one here is 125. So 1, 2, we only have one more left, which is cool. So this is going to get $10. Okay, so for holiday, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 120, and we need one more, so it will equal out to 125, and then I'm going to stuff this in my holiday envelope. And then I'll probably redo this holiday challenge because that's around the corner, and if I can save 2 ways, that'll be great. So I'm probably going to redo the holiday challenge. Self-care, I'm probably not. When I'm done, I'll add something else to it, like birthdays or something. But we are going to skip roll the dice. Oh, we do have our dollar savings challenge back here. Okay, so this is going to get a total of $9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have $1 left. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I did make change out of this so I can cash the 5s. So I'm adding 9 to this. It has 13. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have a total of $22 in there. And I think that is it for this. Yeah, I don't think I'm stuffing anything else. We did have some money left over, so I'll figure out where I'll put those in. I did complete my June savings challenge. I did show it on a short. And with the money from my June savings challenge, which was $75, I added it towards my 6 months of expenses. So once I finish a challenge, I'll add it to something else besides another savings challenge. So that's how it works. It'll usually be a sinking fund or 6 months of expenses. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Again, my shop is down below if you guys are interested in any of the products you see in this video. And I did add some new items to the shop, so go check that out. And I did switch up the shop a little bit. So I will see you guys in the next cash stuffing next week. And I'll try to be consistent with it, but sometimes it just gets a little hard with the kids in the house. So yeah, guys, again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.